Game over, like little flip.
Alright. Here's the big news that we were talking about that we never got to. So this is our building. And there's our showroom. And we'll have cars up here. See, that's the size comparison.
I got boner.
Just like... And here's the garage. No lights are on right now. Yeah, none of the lights are on yet. That's all skylight. Got the Buick in here. Got the Jetta. It's all done almost. So we're gonna turn this into a garage, the Cherry Garage. And we're gonna have a couple bays on each side. Make a better hallway to pull through and put cars in the showroom. And have like a break room and a office somewhere and maybe a workout room and something, I don't know, a whole bunch of stuff.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Yeah. Now the test is to see, since our cars are lowered, if we can fit in the garage without scraping the bottom of our oil pans off. Potholes for days. Oh, buddy. Is it working? Oh. I know you heard that.
Oh fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
That sucks. Wait.
How close is it?
Wait. Keep going, dude. Oh. That was just barely, dude. Right there. So we just need to grind that lip down just a little bit, because I don't think we're going to have many cars lower than that. Yeah, you can park better than that. You can park a little closer than that. I don't know, dude. We're running out of space here.
Yeah.
So on top of doing all this in the garage, of like, what, just... What? Setting it up.
Yeah, we're setting up the garage.
Bring our tools in here. We got
some tools.
got stuff on his M3 to work on. So we're going to just like go through all that real quick.
Alright, so it's a good look at the front end. We got some changes coming to that. You look over here, you'll notice the air vents are missing. We're gonna make a change to that. And finally, we got a change coming, so. Well, right now it's nothing. You just see some wiring for the blinker.
That's nice and warm.
Oh yeah?
You could keep things in there.
Oh,
You know what you should do? You should actually put some LED lights in there so it's backlit from the garage.
that'd be cool.
Yeah. We're gonna do the little quick unboxing of our items that we're getting. What did you point out again? We'll find out, I guess.
I just looked around.
Look at that sub job. Nice.
So, we have a new corner light.
Oh!
Smoke
Ow!
out.
That's for the front blinkers, right? Corners,
Front
whatever?
blinkers, yep.
Nice.
In black.
Oh, it's gonna look so good.
It's gonna look tough.
Okay, dope. Dig it.
So right here, we have a BMW emblem. Look here.
You probably showed it, but it's missing.
It's missing.
Is it-
Pull up to the seam with my emblem missing.
Bruh. And I bought glue. It's in my car. I had that, you singing that last video.
I do that a lot.
Yeah.
So,
It's your song. Ooh, what are those? Wait, let me guess. Fog lights.
fog light.
They-
I don't like the yellow, and I think the clear will look much better.
He's got the European. Oh, that's gonna be so much nicer. Long.
So, for those grills,
Shake case.
and I actually fabricated
Painted.
these myself.
Wait, let me bring it into the light. Look at that. What, oh, nice. Oh, that looks so good.
It's gonna look very nice.
You should paint your wheels black. Alright, well, we're going to get to moving all the tools over here and setting up a little bay to see how it fits so we can better idealize what's going to be a situation for other bays being in here. And what's nice is we have plugs like every 5 feet.
This is Jacob's Towing Services, Ride in Comfort.
Do you mind if we go to Taco Bell?
Yep. I wonder how much horsepower this thing's got.
So we got some of the toolboxes in, most toolboxes in here, and we got a little bay set up. See how it's working out for like just reference for everything else. Jesus, and we got a little break room over here. We got a couch in here already, and then fill out the between pillars basically. All right, wait.
Alright, so We're gonna start off switching out the corner lights. So you just gotta get back in here.
Flathead screwdriver through that fender hole, and then it has a little like that.
Pops it out.
Upon removal of the device, we found a terrible job by previous owner. So we're going to go ahead and cut this out and resolder it so it's just better. We got the electrical engineer, Mr. Solder, going hard at work over here.
It's not pretty.
It's alright, as long as it works. In the meantime, I glued all these plastic pieces together. This peg broke off the emblem. This emblem holder broke off the grill. And this handle on the Jetta was broken. Alright, he's got it plugged in. He's about to put it in. I know this is like a really easy thing to do, but it's going to be sick. There's a spot that it clicks into. Just like that.
I think that's it right there.
Yeah. It looks dope. And I hit the flashers too after a little bit. Oh, that's nice. Hold on. Dig it. Slowly giving up. We have to go ahead and put this in. That's the wrong one. Barely, dude. There goes Carter.
Oh, baby!
Let's go on the other side.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh!
I think it looks sleek.
Tough. Tough. As soon as we get these fog lights in. Tough.
Tough. Yeah,
Tough.
for sure.
Tough.
Tough.
Carter, what do you think?
Like the black?
We got just about everything done on Jacob's car today.
So, we now have a BMW emblem.
Nice.
Very nice.
We tore apart like underneath the dash a whole bunch trying to fix this blinker. But anyways.
We got the black gloss grill now. Very nice. Yeah, there's a little M3 badge. Goes right there. Come over here. We have the smoked corner lights.
Oh, they're great.
I think they look fantastic. Very nice.
Also the clear fog lights,
clear fog lights down here.
which we're gonna put the. Go ahead, you know. We took them out. The
Black.
tab broke off, so we glued them back on, and they're drying now.
They're in there. They look good.
Oh, real good.
Very nice. We'll show you guys what it looks like with the lights on here in just a minute when we get everything dialed in. But so far on the M3 today, it's been a success. It's looking tough.
Yeah. Tough. Tough.
Like the black.
Oh yeah, Jetta. Sorry. We finally got it just like 99% done now. Oh yeah, you got it. I don't have much to show. The inner door handle didn't work, so I had to take it off and reconnect it. It was pretty easy. There's like 3 bolts underneath, 2 bolts right here, and a bolt right there. Pops off, rehook it, all done. Works great. And then we have the like handle thing. It was cracked, so I glued it. It's drying right now. Put that in, drive it to Columbia and sell it. So. Oh yeah, my car's up front. So that's like the. Did we do a video about this? I think we did. But this is like the. Just testing out the showroom, how it fits. So I got my car through with the 1/2-inch clearance. We gotta cut out the door a little bit, but this is our showroom right on the main street. So I'll put some cars up here for sale. It'd be pretty dope. A lot of people have been looking at it. It's pretty cool.